Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to upgrade Amazon Music on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon Music app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, on the home screen, look for a message that says Upgrade to Amazon Music Unlimited or try Amazon Music Unlimited. You may see this at the top of the screen or inside the menu or simply at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on it. This will take you to upgrade page. Next, Amazon will show you different plans such as individual, student or family. Choose the plan that works best for you. Then tap start free trial or subscribe. Amazon may ask you to confirm your payment method. Don't worry, if there is a free trial, you won't be charged until the free trial. Just follow the on-screen instructions and confirm. Once the upgrade is complete, you will get full access to millions of songs with no ads, unlimited skips, and the ability to download music for offline listening. To check your upgrade, go to the settings. In the Amazon Music app, you will see that your account now shows Amazon Music Unlimited. And that's it, you have successfully upgraded Amazon Music on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.